Welcome to TTM Toronto, one-stop shop of all your PCB needs from prototype to mid-volume in diverse industries. Toronto plant is a source of high reliability advanced HDI rigid and rigid flex boards. We continue to invest in automated processes to ensure consistent and high quality product our customers deserve.
TTM Technologies, inspiring innovation.